$5,000 and deposit into an account that pays 6.2% per year. How long you have to wait until your winnings are worth $50,000? So you want 25, and you want to figure out how long it will take until you get 50. What's a question like this? No, I have my future value is my 50. Yes, M, time, no? How long? So we're looking for time. The unknown is a time. So we know the interest rate, we know the present value, we know the future value, but we don't know time. And also, what type of cash flow is this one? Is this annuity, lump sum? It's a lump sum, no? Yes. And if you were to do the timeline, I don't know what's my N, that's the question. But the original 25 becomes 50. So this will be my present value, this will be my future value, and the interest rate is 6.2%. So the question is, how long before this thing doubles? So there are two ways. We're gonna see two, but I'll show you later how to find. There's a shortcut called the rule of 72 for the time to double something. So first, let's do it as with the calculator. So n pair is the unknown. So we know that this is 6.2%. We have 25,000. We can put this as a negative. We deposit 25, no payments. We expect to receive 50 at the end. And the question is, what's NPER? Number of periods. Our rate is 6.2. Our payment is 0. Our present value is 25. Our future is 50. And if we're talking about years here, then yes, this is 11 to 2 years. Okay, so in 11.5 years, this 25,000 will become 50. So this is how time to double for any amount using the formula approach. Now we are using a financial formula. There is another shortcut called the rule of 72, which is an approximation. This is not the rule of 72. Rule of 72. An approximation to find the time to double. So time for any amount to double. How long it will take for anything to double? And you just say, okay, well, take 72. This is a formula. 72 is like this. 72 divided by the interest rate. But the interest rate as a number, not as a percentage. Okay, notice. We have 72, so 72 divided by 6.2. Forget about the percentage, okay? Just put 6.2. And it's a ballpark, so you see it's 11.6. The actual one was 11.52. This one is close enough. So when you don't have a calculator, but you would like to know how long it will take for anything to double, 72 divided by the rate as a number, not as a percentage. Okay, so remember using the rule of 72, if we find that the interest rate drops to 5%, what would be the rule of 72? How long? 72 divided by 5. You get about 14.4. If you want to try it with the actual one, is for 14.21. So you see it's very close. It's not accurate, but you're close. All right, so that's the rule of 72. At times I add some problems that they say use the rule of 72. Some say use the actual. If it doesn't say anything, you just use the actual number.